Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem minimum length of a string after deleting similar ends. So given a string as consisting only of characters A, B, C, you are asked to apply the following algorithm on the string any number of times. So pick a non-empty prefix from the string as where all the characters in the prefix are equal. And second case, pick a non-empty suffix from the string as where all the character in suffix are equal, and the prefix and suffix should not intersect at any index, and the characters from the prefix and suffix must be the same. So delete both prefix and suffix. So if this satisfy these conditions, so like for example, if we have a string, let's say A, B, B, C, B, A, B, A. So that is a very big example, but I will explain with this. So first we will look for the first prefix. So we will take this A and also this suffix. These prefix and suffix so far is not intersecting each other. So and the characters set in both prefix and suffix is same. So we can delete this. First we will delete this A and A. Similarly, we will keep doing we will use two pointers. One is from left to go right and another is from right to go left. So here again B is same with BB. We will remove this prefix of 2B and the suffix of 1B as well. Now we reach here C and we reach here in the right side A. Now these two are not equal, so we can't delete these prefix and suffix. So finally this is the final string is left over and we have to return the length of this string, which is 3. So let's see the example given in the problem itself. So here C and A is not equal, so we can't do any deletion operation here in this string. So we have to return length, which is as it is 2. So let's take the example number 2. Here CC is a prefix and suffix same, we will delete. Then AA prefix and suffix is same, then we will delete again. BV is also same, we will delete again. AA is again delete, we can delete again. So this is whole history is got deleted. So final length is 0. Take example number 3. Here A matches, B matches, deleted. CC no match. So this is the final CCCA and the length is 3. So let's take if our string has only this character. So in that case, if we start from L, so L always start from the length 0 index, and R, the right pointer, start from the length of string minus 1, the index. So index is 0 base. So we will start 2 pointer L from 0 and R from n minus 1. Then what we will do, we will keep looping this until either L less than the R and the character at this index, L index. So char at, let me write as S of I, S of L, which is representing shorthand for character at L index, if equals to character at R index. Then we keep go inside. Then after that we will find the first prefix. How we can find? We will use another while loop here. First we will define the character which we are representing, like the character which should be the same in the prefix, set of character of prefix and the end. So we will write a character, let's say C or CH, which is, let's say, first we will take this S of L itself, because this inside came only when the character at the 0th index and the last index is Rth is same. So we will note it L. Then we will use another while loop, first for L less than until the R and the character at S of L is equals to the character CH. If this, then in that case we will increment our L pointer toward the right side. Similarly, we will do for the another while loop in this here itself, another while loop that we will run R greater than until L or equal to, you can use anything, and the character at S of R is also equals to the CH that we noted. If this, then we will decrease the character like right pointer from right to left, R minus. So we will keep doing it, and once this main while loop will break, then we will know the leftover string. So what we will do, we will check if L in the end we will check if L greater than R, we return 0, otherwise we will return R minus L. That is the length of our string. So this is the approach. You can now pause the video and code yourself first. So for the code part I have already done in the live contest, so I have written over here, but let me reset it and write it again for so that you will get more clear picture. So first of all, we define two pointer L from 0 and R from the s dot length, the index with 0 base minus 1. Then we will run while the L less than R, and character at s of caret and L is the same as s dot caret R. If it is, then we go inside the loop. First we will note the common character that we are looking for, ch, so which is, let's say, s dot caret L itself. Now we use another while loop. First we will move the left pointer towards this right. This is for the first, let me write here, this is for finding the prefix string. So prefix string, so prefix. Now for that what we will do, so L should be less than R and or less than equal to is nothing. So here and the character, so same thing, we will keep repeating it this until this character at L index equals to the ch, the character we noted. Then in that case we increase our L by 1. Similarly we will do for the suffix as well, for suffix string. So for suffix, here we will compare R greater than or equals to L, and here R minus minus, and also the character at R is equals to the ch. If it is, we will keep doing, and once this loop condition break, we will return if L greater than R, then we return the 0, else we return R minus L, which is the length of our string. So let's compile all the test cases with the all test cases. So this should be 1 0, this should be 2, and this should be 3. So the problem here, the index, this is we are playing with index 0 base, so we have to add 1 in the end, as like in this example when we squeeze it. So this will be index over here which is 3, and this R is at index over here which is 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and the actual is the 3 character, so plus 1. So let's again run it, and we are getting now correct answers. So let's submit this. So there is a index out of bound here in one case when the, oh, this is the typo here, it should be a L. So let's submit it again, and it got accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? As you can see, we are running two pointer. In worst case, any of the pointer can run, like if all the character in our string are, let's say, A, so n length of string is n, so we will run scan all the character once only. So the time complexity is O of n, and space complexity is constant. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.